Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about diamonds, those stunning gemstones that have captured the hearts of many. Diamonds are composed of carbon, and their hardness rating is 10 on the Mohs scale, making them one of the hardest minerals in the world. The word diamond comes from the Greek word diamantos, meaning immortal or invincible. This is because diamonds are believed to have originated millions of years ago, during the time of Earth's earliest stages, and they continue to resist wear and even today. There are 4 main types of diamonds, each with its own unique characteristics: I, 2, 3, and 4. The most valuable type, known as I or VVS1, has a clarity of very good and a colorless or light-colored shade. These diamonds are often used to create brilliant cut diamonds, which are the most popular type of diamond in jewelry. The history of diamonds dates back to ancient times, but it wasn't until the 17th century that they gained popularity as a valuable gemstone. The first known diamond was found in South Africa, and it was initially considered a rare and luxurious commodity. Today, diamonds are mined in countries such as South Africa, Australia, Canada, and Russia. The process of mining a diamond involves cutting the rock open and removing a small piece, usually about a square foot, to be tested for its quality. The resulting gemstone is then cut and polished to create the sparkling diamond we all know and love. In conclusion, diamonds are truly remarkable natural gemstones with a rich history and stunning appearance. They are composed of carbon and are considered one of the hardest minerals in the world, making them an